Alright guys, what is happening? Steve Mingleco, Final Web Design. Today I'm very excited to review the Switch OLED model. Final Web Design, this is Steve. So if you're not familiar, this is the new Switch, or newer Switch within the last year, that basically just has a better screen for handheld mode. So in the case that my current Switch is just absolutely all the Joy-Cons and stuff don't work with it, in my current Switch, I got this new OLED one, so let's make a review of it. So basically I'm going to start with the unboxing. As you can see, it's just that typical red, you know, the tablet TV mode, handheld mode with the OLED screen. So why don't we unbox this here, and I'm just gonna start at the back. Maybe I'll bring this down a little bit. So start by unpulling this, and as I pull this section out here, actually this flips up, so ooh, what a beautiful product here. So you can see the white, and I believe that this is the dock. So why don't we keep opening that up, and I'll bring it down a little more. So basically here we're going to pull out this first insert, and you will see, okay, so we have the power cord, which is standard USB-C. If you're not familiar, this is the power cord that typically comes with any Nintendo Switch. So we have our USB-C power cord, we have our HDMI cord, so everybody should be familiar with your HDMI. And you have your two new Joy-Con straps, which help keep the Joy-Con on your hands and around your wrists, and then you have the adapter piece, which is used to slide the Joy-Cons on for your controller. This was all standard in the last Switch, so nothing that you see here should be too new. Then the last piece that's actually in the box that's provided is the new TV adapter. So the sleeve, as you could call it, with just some packaging. As you can see, it is a little bit more sleeker in the design. And maybe I'll just pull out my old one so you can see the difference. So basically, the old one was the all black. The new one is this white, and it also has the rounded edges. And the back adapter here should be, oh no, I already broke it off, but I think that comes off actually. Should have this adapter outlet for the LAN port, so pretty cool. That is the new console, so you can see the difference. But I think either Switch can technically work in either one. I guess I'll have to give that a test, but this is the dock that comes with it. So then with that being said, why don't we open up the actual LED screen and the new Joy-Cons. Now the problem that I'd always had, my last Joy-Cons had the Joy-Con drift, so everything was always having problems. But these ones look really slick, they look really nice. This white design, definitely what I would say is a fan. Looks pretty cool, looks pretty nice, no complaints there. So hopefully I don't have to experience a Joy-Con drift. Like, as a gamer, there's nothing worse than when your character starts walking around or jumps off something and like you've been playing. It kind of defeats the purpose of gaming. There is some instructions in here. I'm not gonna really pull them out. Actually, I guess I will. So it's just the warranty and the safety guide. And then really what I want to show here, gosh, this box keeps blowing away on me. Like to do my videos outside. It's always nice to get out of the office. Next thing I really want to look at here in more detail is the LED screen itself. So as you can see, it looks beautiful. It's a lot bigger than the other model LED. It goes all the way to the edges there. And then obviously this new like kickstand feature that they talk about. I only use this when I use my fitness games, because for the most part I would just play in handheld like this. However, it's pretty cool. Definitely a big fan. So why don't we just plug this, and I guess I'll give it a power up. Because I'm outside, I don't know if I'm gonna have the internet access to set everything up. However, as you can see, it powered up. So gosh, what a beautiful looking screen. Even just looking at it in the screen from the computer, it's just beautiful. Oh, I could tell those sounds too. Holy cow, it sounds good. So then you come to the typical setup, and I'll do this setup process. So then, as you can see, once the internet has been set up, you can just hit OK, and it will say loading or please wait. The user has been added to the console, and from there you can set up all of your save data and information similar to that. So we'll just go to enable, OK, and here it is. So we will skip adding an additional and continue the process to log in. We're going to skip the parental configurations, and setup is complete. So there we go. That is the process.